What's up, everyone? QQ Vincent here, and today we're gonna check out Majors. Now, I don't know if this is like an official comeback or if this is their official debut, because a month ago they had two music videos that was released on the same day, and now they have another two music videos that was released at the same time as well. So yeah, and it was just a month apart. Pretty quick for a comeback, but it might. Some people are saying the first two were debut or pre-debut, and then this is their debut. I don't know what the company's doing, but that's more major content for us, I guess. I wish they would like release it slowly, so more people can have more hype about it, I guess. I don't know, and also seeing the teasers. These music videos don't look high budget. Maybe it's better to have like one music video where they can focus all their budget onto that to make it more up there, you know. But I don't know. We'll check it out. The first one is "Rain on Me," which is the main. I believe it's the main title track. And from the teaser, the budget looks a little bit better on this one compared to the first two, Spit It Out and Stronger. So yeah, we'll see. Let's check this out. Yeah, okay. 4K. Volume. Alright. Better props already. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, budget's much better. Let's go. Oh, let's go, Vita. Ooh, bien. Ooh. Aki. Ida. Vita's rap, my god. Oh, she said turn up the volume. Oh. We are getting a lot of BN screen time. They're also pretty. Okay. Alright, well, it was much better. It's a better MV compared to Spit It Out and Stronger, and you can clearly see where the budget went. You know, the CGI background. You have more props instead of just the standard just dance floor and just lights. Song wise, pretty catchy. I still think Spit It Out was it just stuck to me, like maybe the more times the chorus for Spit It Out was so repetitive that it just stuck to my head. But Rain on Me was a decent song. Bien was at the center most of the time. I mean, I guess it's obvious because she's the face of the group, or center, main dancer, and I think main vocalist as well. So that's to be expected. I hope, you know, the other members get their chance to shine, and I hope they would perform this on music shows. Okay, ANS Entertainment, can we do that, please? Next video, we'll check out their other song. So until then.